guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for being here and showing your support. I'm back with a midweek haul, and if you did not check out the deals video I posted on Sunday, I suggest you do so because you will definitely find more deals there. The first deal I will be sharing will be on Oral-B toothbrush. It's part of the buy 3 get $5 back, and this is a limit of 2. And it's on sale for $3.99 each. Picking up 3 will bring it up to $11.97, and everybody have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will be applying to it. And we also have another $2 that will double dip and take off 7, bringing it down to $4.97, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items free and a 3 cents money maker. But I have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT, so I'll be adding this transaction to it. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Palmolive or Ajax. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 back. You can pick up the Ajax, but I'll be picking up Palmolive for this deal. It's priced at $4.99 each, and the second one will be $2.50. These 2 items will come up to $7.49, and I have this 75 cents coupon that you can print from coupons.com. It's still available, and we also have a 75 cents in our app. If you're doing this by yourself with the 2 coupons, it will bring it down to $5.99, and I'll pay that and get $2 back, making both items $3.99 or $2 each. This next deal will help me get to 70 to be able to take off 10, and that will be the spend 40 get $10 back. The first 2 items I'll pick up will be the body spray, priced at $9.29, and I also pick up 2 of the deodorants, priced at $8.49. Remember, they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. And to get to 40, I'll be picking up the Secret deodorant, also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's priced at $8.79 each. All these items will come up to $39.87, which is within the 98% rule. When you're doing a deal like this, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you can get back your extra care box. And I'll be using a 5 off 3 Old Spice digital coupon, and also a 4 off 2 Secret deodorant digital coupon as well. Last week we all received a 3 off 2 CRT for Old Spice or Secret deodorant. With all these 2 coupons and the CRT, if I'm doing this by itself, it will bring it down to $27.86. I will pay that and get $10 back. And the good thing about this deal is that we have some good Ibotta rebate that I'll be explaining after I check out. I'm still not at $70, so I'll be adding one more deal to this transaction, and I'll be picking up the L'Oreal Elvive deal. It's on buy 3 get $5 back, and I'll be picking up 3 of the products. You can mix or match however way you want. On Sunday, everybody received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and if you check coupons.com, there is another one you can print out that will match with the one we have in the app and double dip and take off $10. By itself, it will bring it down to $6.77, and I'll get $5 back, making all 3 items $1.77 or 59 cents each. These are all the items I'll be picking up using the 10 off 70. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I checked out and I'm back with my receipt, and these are all the items I picked up. Before I explain how all my coupons are applied, I would like to say that I made a little mistake by not sending to card the 4 off 2 Secret deodorant digital coupon. It made this transaction cost me $4 more than it's supposed to cost me. But in the Google Doc, I'll make sure I leave the correct way to do it. Now let's look at the coupons. Everything worked out great, everything applied. The L'Oreal Elvive, both $5 came off, and also for the Oral-B toothbrush, the $5 and the $2 came off as well. I used one of the paper coupon for the Palmolive and another paper coupon for another digital coupon for the second Palmolive. And the 10 off 70 came off. I used $33 extra care box for this, paid $6.56, and I got back all my extra care box. That's $2 back for the Palmolive, $5 back for the L'Oreal Elvive, and another $5 back for the 3 of the toothbrushes and a $10 bag for the spend 40 get 10. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $2 back on each of the Old Spice, and that's a limit of 4, so I maxed the deal. And a $2 back for the Secret deodorant, but that rebate is when you buy 2, and that's a limit of 1. If I had added the 4 of 2, this whole transaction will end up costing me just $7.56. This week Maybelline Cosmetics is on buy 2, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll be picking up 2 of the lipsticks, priced at $7.99 each, and these 2 items will come up to $15.98. I have this $2 I got from coupons.com, and we have another one in our app that will take care of the second item. I still have my $3 instant CRT from last week, and we received another one this week. I also have a 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT that will also apply. With the 2 coupons and the 3 CRTs, it will bring it down to $2.98. I will pay that and get $5 back, making both items free and a $2.02 money maker. I'm back with my receipt, and this worked out very perfect. The 2 coupons came off, the 3 CRTs also applied. I used $2 extra care box, paid 98 cents out of pocket, and I got $5 back, making this transaction free and a $2.02 money maker. This concludes my haul for this week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.